Spiking race to 100% identifies the top SEC insiders. The share price increased by at least 100% the day after these insiders disclosed a new holding, while they still own the shares. First, let's look at some of the success of these top insiders. The most recent trade by Li Ka-shing on CVE increased by 324%. CVE shares were purchased at an approximate average price of $5.73, as disclosed on January 11, 2021, and the stock price reached a new high of $24.31 on June 7, 2022. He has a 100% win rate with 5 wins so far. Among the 5 wins, he has the highest wins in energy stocks. Click this button to receive notifications whenever Li Ka-shing makes a new trade. You can also search for Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway to see which stocks he recently purchased and is still holding, as well as which stocks he recently sold. He recently purchased TSMC shares at an approximate average price of $79.12, as disclosed on November 14, 2022, and the stock is currently trading at $87.07, representing a 10% gain so far. And he most recently sold RPRX shares on June 30, 2022, for a 14% gain. Next, you can use the app to look up stocks that you want to buy or that you already own. Let's look at Apple. These are some of the notable insiders who have recently purchased Apple stock, and these are the insiders who recently sold all of their Apple holdings. Let's take another look at Tesla. If you like our app, we'd like to give you a free 1-year subscription worth $1,188. There are no strings attached. Simply click the button to sign up for a spiking account. After logging in, your account will be updated with a 1-year free subscription to Spiking Race to 100%. Last but not least, if you believe that your audience will like our app too, we are happy to give them a complimentary subscription as well. Fill out the form below to become a Spiking affiliate, and we will get in touch with you soon. Thank you.